guys, Confish227 here, and welcome back to another LEGO review. So today I am reviewing 30594, the LEGO Monster Truck Polybag set. This goes for $5, and it is 54 pieces, and it is Creator's Monster Truck. This is a 6+ set, and really there's not much going on here, except you can roll it. There's no pieces that pop off, nothing that goes flying. It is a 6+ set, and it goes for $5 in the US. Not really much going on here. The wheels are pretty cool. The wheels are rubber. And in my opinion, the coolest piece right here is on the front. Alright, well, like I said, there's not really much going on here, so hopefully this video can determine whether or not you want to buy this set. It's a $5 polybag set. Alright, thank you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.